Hi everyone, myself Deepak Kaur. This is my task number 8. I have to make timeline analysis for COVID-19. As you know that this is very hot topic nowadays. Many countries' economies are destroyed due to this, and also we know that vaccination is also ready. But this is not my aim of the project. My aim is create a storyboard showing spread of COVID-19 cases in your country or any region related to Asia, Europe, BRICS, etc. Now moving further, I'm an Indian, so I make this for India. As you can see, I import the libraries, then I read the data, and here you can see the daily new cases, how they are going, and it seems more worse. Now you can see the weekly cases. Now further you see, now you can see for simplicity I take a random data, so I choose the 7 out of all the data randomly. So now you can see I'm moving further. Now moving further, you can see more. I describe it. Basically, this is live dataset. That's why it's in huge. You can see more. And you can see now the table. How the total cases, new cases, total deaths, new tests, total deaths. You can see here. Now for the visualization, you can see it's month wise basically. So you can see it shows the total cases, total death, new test, total tests. You can see here. Same I took for the month. You can see. Now as for the new cases about month. Now you can see the total death plot is here, and this is also for a month. Now we will check the trend. Here is the first trend for the total cases month wise. Now for the new cases. Now further you can see the pair plot here about total cases, new cases, total death, new tests, total tests. Now further there is also one graph more for new cases and total cases, jointly graph basically. Now moving further about total cases, this is also I take for the month. Then you can see the total cases plot. This is also for a month. Now total cases you can see basically. So now coming part for the India. Still COVID-19 is spreading or not? You can see I load the data as well. And here you can see the total number of confirmed cases across India is 42,546. You can see the active one also. There are 29,376. Cured, discharged, or migrated cases across India are 11,775, and the death due across India is 1,391. And affected state-wise, they are 32. Now moving further, you can see I upload the data for state-wise, and you can see the Maharashtra is on top. Highlight of pink shows. Now the territory-wise confirmed cases, you can see the Maharashtra top, then Gujarat, then Delhi, Maharashtra, UP, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, and so go on. You can see. And in list they are Manipur, Goa, and Arunachal Pradesh. You can see that. Now this is total active case. You can see there are other territories also which don't have cases. Now this is a graph basically, but not the huge one, but the small. It will indicate you about the active, recovered, and death. Now this is basically geographical map. You can see the red hotspot. Now moving further, I made a dashboard for this, like total confirmed, cure, active, disease. You can see this dashboard is basically for India. Now you can see the confirmed versus recover figures. Basically this is state wise. You can see. Now moving further, as you go the trend of coronavirus in India, you can see the blue shows the total cases and the red shows the new cases. Oh man, this is per day. It's huge. I hope you enjoyed this task. Thank you.